Hi everyone, Rob Holmes, Head of Transactions at Silta. And in this video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of our newly released first version of the Silta Impact Marketplace. So you'll notice that if you go to the Silta landing page at silta.finance, that some new buttons have appeared that allow you to launch our Impact Marketplace. So let's go ahead and click on one of those buttons. As you can see, we've landed on the new Impact Marketplace, which is visible to anyone. And this page shows our current pipeline of sustainable infrastructure projects that are seeking funding. Now, it's important to note here that we will only display projects that have passed our initial pre-qualification stage. So Silta could have received more applications than are showing in the Impact Marketplace, but they'll only be shown here once they've been pre-qualified as part of our initial screening process. So when browsing the list of projects, you can use the filters here to filter projects based on the stage that they're at within the funding lifecycle. So you can simply view all projects or filter by projects that are pre-qualified stage, projects that have undergone full due diligence and have been allocated to Silta score, all projects where funding terms have been agreed, or finally, all projects that have received funding. And if you want to see more details about a particular project, you can click on the project and then you'll be taken to the project's profile page. And here you can see the anticipated sustainable development goals that the project will contribute towards, a descriptive short summary, the project sector, project type, and project stage, and a more detailed description about the project and the project developer, and also the loan type, loan amount, and loan tenor that they are seeking. Now, if you are a potential financier who may be interested in funding any projects you find in our Impact Marketplace, for example, like a DeFi protocol, a family office, an impact investor, or a foundation, you can reach out to us at contact@silta.finance. And that's all for this video. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at the borrower's portal.